Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data to ClickHouse, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data to ClickHouse, first identify the source of the data you want to import. Ensure the data format is compatible with ClickHouse, such as CSV, JSON, or Parquet. Set up your ClickHouse server if you haven't done so already. You can either use a local installation or connect to a remote server. Once your server is ready, open your terminal or command prompt. Connect to your ClickHouse server using the appropriate command, typically ClickHouse client. Next, create a new table in ClickHouse that matches the structure of your data. Use the create table statement followed by the table name and column definitions. For example, define the data types for each column, ensuring they align with your data source. Once the table is created, you need to prepare your data for import. If your data is in CSV format, ensure the first row contains the header with column names. Now, you can import the data into ClickHouse using the Insert Into statement. Specify your table name and the format of your data if necessary. If you have a large dataset, consider using the cat command to pipe the data directly into ClickHouse. For example, you might use a command like catdata.csv ClickHouse client query equals insert into your _table format CSV. If you're using JSON, adjust the command to specify the JSON format accordingly. For batch processing, leverage the ClickHouse client's support for files. You can also use a local file by specifying the path, like ClickHouse client query equals insert into your _table format CSV path / data.csv. For more complex transformations, consider using a tool like ClickHouse Data Transfer Service. If your source data is from a database, explore using ETL tools that support ClickHouse. Ensure that your data is indexed correctly for optimal performance after the transfer. Finally, verify the data has been imported correctly by running a simple select query on your new table. Review the results, and if needed, perform any cleanup or adjustments to the data. With these steps, you should have successfully transferred your data into ClickHouse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.